Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie. Today I've got some really fun gift ideas that I personally would love to receive, so I always think that's a pretty good standard to set when I'm making homemade gifts. These are all super affordable and also useful, so it's not just some piece of junk that will probably get thrown away. And I should also mention that these are really easy to make, so it won't require a ton of effort on your part, which is always a plus. I'm also excited to tell you that today's video is sponsored by EveryPlate, and I'll share more about the delicious meals that I made this week in just a bit, but for now, I just wanted to let you know that you can get EveryPlate for just $1.79 per meal in your first box, and then an additional 20% off your next 2 boxes by going to everyplate.com and entering the code KatieB4, and I will leave the link down below. So with all of that being said, let's get started on making some gifts. The first gift that I'm making is some framed line art. I've seen this project so many times on TikTok and I thought it would make a great gift. I printed off this image of some leaves and I can link it down below if you guys want to use it. Then I grabbed a picture frame. You can use any size frame that you want. Just resize the image until you're happy with it. I took the backing out of the frame and lined the picture up on it. Then I placed the glass over the image. I used a chalk marker for this project, but you can also just use a white paint pen. This is so simple. All you have to do is trace over the lines with the marker or paint pen, and this is perfect for me because I'm not great at drawing, so tracing is the way to go. I also like using the chalk marker because it wipes off with a little bit of water, so if you mess up, it's easy to clean it off and start over. With the chalk marker, you can also switch up the art anytime you want if you make this for yourself. To finish this piece off, I glued a piece of scrapbook paper, which actually has a more fabric texture, to the mat that came with the frame. Then I took the glass and I flipped it over so that the part that I drew on is facing down. The last step is to pop this back into the frame and reassemble the whole thing. How easy is that? It is such a cute gift that I think anyone would love to receive. This time of year is always insanely busy around here with holiday prep and work deadlines, not to mention trying to save money because we'll be spending extra this month on holiday gifts. So this is when EveryPlate comes to the rescue because you can get amazing meals delivered right to your door and they are super affordable. The recipes come together in just about 30 minutes, which is perfect for me because I'm always in a rush, especially at the end of the day. So this week I made buttered biscuit pot pie, and my favorite part about EveryPlate is how everything comes pre-measured. You don't have to worry about wasting any ingredients. The recipe cards tell you exactly what to do, and this dinner was so good. It was the perfect mix of being healthy with all these veggies, but also a total comfort food. There are 17 recipes to choose from and they change each week. They have vegetarian dishes as well, so there's something for everyone. And speaking of gift ideas, you could also send an EveryPlate box to friends or family this holiday season because I think everyone can appreciate just making dinner time a little bit easier. I'm really excited that you guys will be able to get EveryPlate for only $1.79 per meal in your first box, plus an extra 20% off your next 2 boxes when you use the code KatieB4 at everyplate.com. It's such a good deal, so I hope you'll take advantage of it. The next gift is peppermint lip balm. So I combined 3 tablespoons of beeswax pellets, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of shea butter. I created a double boiler by putting the ingredients in a glass jar inside a pot of hot water. As the water heats up, it melts the ingredients inside the jar. I stirred it a few times and eventually everything melted and the liquid was totally clear. I purchased a pack of these little gold tins, which are the perfect size for lip balm, and they also came with these labels, which I thought was a nice touch. I'm going to be making my own labels, but I will link this set of tins down below. I added about 15 drops of high quality peppermint essential oil to the mixture, and you can really do any scent or flavor that you like, but I thought peppermint would be perfect for Christmas. Next, I poured the lip balm into the tins, and this recipe was just enough for 4 tins. Like I mentioned before, I wanted to create my own labels, so I designed and cut those out and added a little candy cane image in the center. They came out so cute, so I added them to the tops of the tins, and I'm really excited to give these as gifts this year. I never go anywhere without lip balm, especially in the winter, so I think everyone will appreciate this gift. for the last gift, I picked up a pack of stone tiles from the home improvement store. You can really choose any type of tile that you like, but I wanted to go for a little bit more of a rustic look, and I like that these came with a few different colors. I also purchased a pack of temporary tattoos, which I will link down below. These came with a ton of different floral watercolor images. I centered the flower on the tile upside down and followed the directions for applying the tattoo. I dabbed it with a wet sponge and let it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then I peeled away the backing and it looked perfect. I was so excited with how this turned out. I repeated this process on all of the tiles, and the thing that I love about this is how you can totally customize this based on what tattoos you choose. You can make them holiday themed or whatever you'd like. To seal these so that the tattoo won't flake off, I added a clear coat all over the tiles. This will also protect them from moisture. As a last step, I added these little self-adhesive cushions to the corners. This will protect whatever surface the coasters are sitting on. You could also use cork or furniture pads. These came out so much better than I expected from using temporary tattoos, and I can't wait to gift them this year. Okay, you guys, let me know in the comments down below which one of these DIY gifts was your favorite. And I'm just deciding this right now, but I think I'm gonna do a little spur of the moment giveaway because it is the gifting season. So if you guys leave down below which gift you'd like to receive the most, I will pick one of you to send that to. I just wanna thank you guys so much for being here on my channel throughout the year and really helping my channel grow and supporting me. I appreciate it so much. So I think this will just be fun, and I wanna try to do more giveaways in the future. So like I said, just leave your comment down below. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can see fun little DIY reels and behind the scenes sneak peeks. It's just my name @KatieBookser. And of course, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.